we're just looking down from the viewpoint at the second cable car down into the Botanic Gardens above Funchal. And the gardens are all on this slope here. Wee butterfly there. Looks like an orange tip, doesn't it? Here is in a series of terraces. And then there's unexpected elements like this pond with the goldfish in it. There's a lot of these purple trees. They're not buddleia or that. I don't know what they are. And this is a bust of this guy, Aru Vieira, 1926 to 2009. Born in Funchal, and there's all the information about him. And he took a lot to do with this botanical garden. Nice wee tribute to him. And from the wilder part of this botanic garden, this is the organised bit, landscaped, decorative. And this is your rose garden. And Tanya says the smell is great, but of course I can't smell, so I can smell nothing. And down below it is a cactus garden.
Get you to take a picture.
This is what Snowy White sang about or played about. Bird of Paradise. Just blooming. I'm just bumped my head. And there's a dead moth here, and it's really, really massive. If I put my foot in, you'll see the size of this. That's a shame. Don't know what it is. Massive. This is all your succulents. Cacti. There's some ginormous ones in here. To the arboretum area. It's all strange kinds of trees. Well, those are yew trees. And we're displays of topiary. Topiary. And we were in the wee cafe here at the Botanical Gardens, Funchal. And there's a nice little garden area outside it. How nice is that? There's one about to come, water lilies. Why can't I grow salvia like this? I think there's salvia there at home. We planted salvia years ago and the slugs devoured them. All sorts of little pathways about here. There's the yellow flowers down there on that tree. And this is amazing, these bellflowers. Absolutely brilliant. Like leprechauns' hats. And this is the viewpoint from the second cable car looking over Funchal.